The 1971 Volkswagen Beetle 1500 is a classic example of VW's iconic Beetle series, known for its distinctive design, reliability, and historical significance. As part of the Type 1 Beetle lineup, the 1500 model represents an evolution in the Beetle's long lineage. Design and exterior. The 1971 Beetle features the classic rounded shape with a rear engine layout, characterized by its curved fenders, large headlights, and small, rear-hinged doors. The car measures approximately 3,868 mm, 152.1 in length, 1,690 mm, 66.5 in width, and 1,412 mm, 55.6 in height, making it compact and maneuverable. The body is primarily made of steel, with a reputation for durability and robustness. The exterior design is both timeless and functional, offering excellent aerodynamics and a unique aesthetic. Engine and performance. The 1971 Beetle 1500 is powered by a 1.5-liter, 1,500 cubic centimeters, flat-4 engine, delivering approximately 44 horsepower. This engine configuration is known for its simplicity and reliability. It comes with a 4-speed manual transmission, which complements the engine's power delivery and enhances the driving experience. With a top speed of around 80 miles per hour, 129 kilometers per hour, and a 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour acceleration time of about 22 seconds, the Beetle offers a leisurely but engaging driving experience. Interior and comfort. The interior features seating for 4 passengers, with bench-style front seats and a rear bench. Upholstery options varied, including vinyl and cloth. The dashboard is simple and functional, equipped with basic gauges and controls. The minimalist design reflects the Beetle's utilitarian approach. Despite its compact exterior, the Beetle offers a surprisingly spacious interior, with ample headroom and legroom for its size. Handling and suspension. The front suspension uses a torsion bar system, while the rear features a swing axle setup. This configuration contributes to the Beetle's characteristic handling and ride quality. The steering is light and responsive, making the Beetle easy to maneuver in various driving conditions. The 1971 Beetle is equipped with drum brakes on all 4 wheels, providing adequate stopping power for its performance. Historical significance and legacy. The Beetle 1500 was part of the final phase of the classic Beetle's production before the introduction of the Super Beetle in the early 1970s. It reflects the culmination of design improvements made throughout the Beetle's history. The Volkswagen Beetle has become an iconic symbol of automotive history, known for its unique design and widespread popularity. Restoration and maintenance. Restoration. The 1971 Beetle is a popular choice for restoration enthusiasts due to its relatively straightforward mechanical systems and availability of parts. Regular maintenance is crucial to keep the Beetle in optimal condition. Common areas of focus include engine care, suspension components, and rust prevention. Conclusion. The 1971 Volkswagen Beetle 1500 remains a cherished classic car, appreciated for its distinctive design, reliable performance, and cultural significance. Whether admired for its historical value or enjoyed as a driving experience, the Beetle continues to captivate automotive enthusiasts around the world.